Ehang stock, ticker EH, is down by 63%. Should you buy, sell or wait for further dip? EH is currently trading $46.30 after almost 63% drop from yesterday price 124.09. In this video I will share the strategy for Ehang stock. Please watch this video completely, I spent a lot of time to make this video. Please support by subscribe to this channel. For those who don't know much about Ehang, here is a short introduction. Think of passenger drones or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, like pilotless aerial taxis. Beyond city transportation, they also have applications for tourism, logistics and emergency response. In February 2018, passenger drone maker Ehang released the first video of a passenger flight in one of its drones. The company said in May of this year that it had received approval from the Civil Aviation Administration of China for the commercial pilot operation of passenger-grade autonomous aerial vehicles for air logistics uses. Earlier that month, Ehang announced a partnership with a tourism company to develop the world's first urban air mobility-themed hotel, in which guests will be shuttled via the company's drones. The company is also involved in a pilot program, no pun intended, in the Chinese city of Guangzhou, where Ehang envisions a low-altitude aviation transportation network. The reason behind this drop was a report published by Wolfpack Research. In their research report they mentioned that Wolfpack Research called Ehang an elaborate stock promotion built on largely fabricated revenues based on sham sales contracts. The report continued that A has perpetuated its story with a collection of lies about its products, manufacturing, revenues, partnerships, and potential regulatory approval of its purported main business. Wolfpack Research asserted that it gathered extensive evidence including behind-the-scenes photographs, recorded phone calls, and videos of on-site visits to A's various facilities. The market was stunned on this news, with shares down, trading intraday as low as approximately 62% from the opening price. You can see that there is a lot of allegations made by short seller Wolfpack Research. In my personal view, I do not found Wolfpack Research firm an authentic firm. They played this type of trick many times. Here I am sharing a screenshot of New York Post, in which you can see that the Barstool Sports founder kicked off his daily day trading broadcast on Twitter by tearing into Wolfpack Research short seller Dan David, who slammed him Tuesday for touting what David called less than worthless shares in the tech firm Remark Holdings. Calling David a fraud and a used car salesman, Portnoy said he's dumped all his Remark shares and denied that he's pushed the stock, which trades under the ticker symbol MARK. After watching many short sales reports by Wolfpack, I found that most of the time, they just made assumptions, and in reality they don't have authentic proofs. My strategy on this news that I will test this stock by buying a small amount of shares, approximately 1,000 shares for my 3x challenge portfolio, then I will go with momentum. If you guys don't care about short sellers and believe that Wolfgang report is all fabricated to make some short sale profits, then test a small amount of shares, as per your tolerance. If Ehang management denies this report, shares will be back to $130, which will be 3x of current price, and if something goes wrong, you can take a loss of 30%. Please don't forget to use stop loss order 15% to 30%. Take profit 130% or loss of 30%, it's your choice. For more stocks related update and to be the first one to receive latest stocks alert, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.